How to fix SecurityHealthSystray.exe Bad Image error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Re-registering the SecurityHealthSSO.dll file essentially resets this file in the system registry. It helps to repair the file if it's corrupted, thereby resolving issues related to the bad image error. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work, SFC, System File Checker, and DISM, Deployment Image Servicing and Management, are built-in Windows tools that can scan and repair corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, resetting the Windows security application can help in fixing issues associated with its components, such as the SecurityHealthSystray.exe file. System Restore is a utility in Windows that allows you to revert your computer's state, including system files, installed applications, Windows registry, and system settings, to a previous point in time. This can be useful when your system was working just fine and then started to experience issues.